Hi Jim, Andy Bowen here at Bungarrowby House. I see you're going to do some grinding, mate.
Yes, I'm doing some grinding. I'm going to cut these, what are they called?
Metal rods.
Metal rods. And I'm just doing some cutting.
Okay, cool. So I'll just give you a bit of a demonstration just to show our viewers how we're going to do it. So you put the cutting rod and you pretty much then see the groove.
Yeah.
So you're going to hold the cutting disc in that groove, and you're going to watch it go like that.
Yep.
Okay. You don't hold it like that, and you don't hold it like that. You're going to hold it straight.
Yep.
Okay. All right. So we'll go and watch him do the cutting, and we'll just.
Did that reach?
Yeah, it should do. Alright, I'll come over so we can watch. Alright.
Ready?
Yep.
Didn't cut just yet.
Okay. Alright. See where you've got that cut that you've got? You need to go back to the same place.
Alright.
Let me come back around. Just hang on for 2 seconds.